Hey guys, welcome to another video. In today's video, I am actually taking you on a new lock journey with me, so stay tuned. Hey guys, it's Chama from Happy Living Now, where we share everything money management, maximizing wealth, and living a happy and rich life. So if you're all about creating your happiest and richest life, you're definitely at the right place. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button below and hit that notification bell as well, so you're always notified when we upload new videos. Alright guys, so in today's video I am actually bringing to you a technically lifestyle related video. I am embarking on a new lock journey. For those of you who have subscribed for a long time and have been long time subscribers, you're, I'm pretty sure, familiar with my lock journey here on this channel. And for those of you who are new subscribers, welcome. And I'm pretty sure you might not be too familiar with my lock journey, so I'll go ahead and link that playlist for you to check out up here and down in the description box below. But a couple of months ago I did a video on me cutting my locks, and I will also link that up for you right here, so you can check that out. But yeah, I cut my locks a couple months ago, and I did state that I was gonna embark on a new lock journey. So it is that time for my new lock journey. I am gonna be embarking on a new Microloc journey. It worked fine for me when I had it. I thought I wanted traditional locks. I tried traditional locks and didn't like it, so now I'm going back to the Microlocs. So I decided to actually document my journey this time around, because when I first started, I don't believe I documented my journey as much. So this time around, I'm hoping to actually document my journey from the beginning and throughout. So I hope you guys are excited as I am to embark, to see me embark on another lock journey. And the first step to doing that is, of course, prepping the hair and getting ready for lock installation. So you will see in the clips, of course, I have a different outfit on because I parted my hair on a different day. Today's actually Sunday. I prepped my hair yesterday, Saturday, after I washed and everything. Today's Sunday. I actually just got back from church, hence the head wrap and everything. And I'm actually feeling this wrap, y'all. Quite honestly, I'm feeling it. It's just a scarf that I took, and because my hair was already braided in my big plaits, I just wrapped my hair up in this nice scarf, and I'm feeling myself. Okay, I like it. But yeah, and so I actually changed, got a little thing different. I'm pretty sure you can see it here. I'll give you a sneak peek. But I actually did, got a nice little shave going at the back, and you'll actually see that later on in the clips as well. But yeah, this first video is actually going to show you my parting system for my hair. I will show you how I did the back of my hair on camera, because by the time I decided to actually record how I parted my hair for this, I had already done the front of my hair. And once I'm done with the back in the video, I actually tell you how I first parted the front of my hair. But I did part the front of my hair first, and then after I was done with that, I decided that it probably would be good to record the video for you guys, in case there's anybody out there watching who's interested in doing their own Microlocs, and just want to have an idea of the way you could possibly part your hair. So this part one to my Microloc installation series. It's just the parting system, how I parted my hair to get my hair prepped and ready for installation. Part 2 video, and possibly part 3, and maybe even a part 4, depending on how long it takes me, will be installing the locks, and I will show you like how I go about installing the locks and just updates as I go on. Alright, so with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, go ahead and drop it down in the comment box below. Feel free to ask questions, feel free to leave comments. I welcome your conversations below, and you guys will see me in the next couple videos.